Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: a 5G-capable plan and the correct SIM type. Once done, update your Moto Edge 60 Fusion system and carrier settings so bands and profiles match. Make sure mobile data is on and temporarily disable Wi-Fi calling because it can keep the phone on LTE. Then open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet to begin active network selection. These moves prepare the phone to see and latch onto 5G quickly. You now take control of which network the phone uses. Go to SIM settings and pick the preferred network type set to 5G/4G/3G. Once selected, verify the phone is actually seeing 5G bands. If necessary, use the service menu or a network info app to confirm NR band registration. After changing preferences, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to force a fresh attach. This speeds the registration process. If you're roaming, make sure roaming for data is enabled where appropriate. Finish by confirming the 5G icon in Quick Settings or under SIM status. That shows you're on NR. If it still won't connect after 2 proper attempts, reset network settings to clear corrupted APN or protocol entries, then re-enter Wi-Fi and VPN details. One key troubleshooting tip: if you continue to see LTE, try a different carrier SIM or move outdoors and reattach. If that fails, contact your carrier to check provisioning and band support. Often they must.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.